Hello everybody, welcome to my December kit lineup video. I'm like 85 to 90% sure this is going to be my full December kit lineup. I mean, the kits definitely, the foil is always up in the air. I feel like I change my mind almost always, but I'm still gonna go through everything with you. And I'm trying to remember, I don't think I'd had like a completed November kit lineup for you guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys my completed November kit lineup if I didn't already. I'll go through it quite quickly though, just because like if I did already show you, I'm sorry. So November 7th through the 13th is the holiday prep kit from SPC. I didn't pull out copper yet, but I do plan to use copper, like a foil bundle, a copper foil bundle with this houndstooth in olive from Planet Hannah. I think copper and olive are going to go together so beautifully with this kit, and of course the houndstooth has to get used. I do have a code with Hannah. You can use the code fantasy15 to save 15% plus get my freebie, or if she's already having a sale, you could just put fantasy or Kirsten in the notes to still get my freebie. But that's kind of my goal here. Again, I probably should have pulled out copper, but I just knew I was going to use copper, probably copper twinkles, so there's that. November 14th to the 20th, I am using the Merry Mistletoe kit. It was really difficult for me to choose between, or like what foil color to use as an underlay, but I decided to go with the festive underlays from Planet Hannah. This is in her purple tie-dye. I also have this in matte silver. So again, this could be another game time decision, but I love both. So right now I have it with purple tie-dye. I think it's gonna look really good, the colors. And then I'm thinking silver is just going to be like my base color. So that's what I have for November 14th to the 20th. It is so stinking hot in my house right now. I'm going to have to kick on the air soon. November 21st to the 27th, I'm pretty sure I had already had like all pulled out. So like I already showed you guys, but I have the Believe kit from SPC, the Ted Lasso kit. These are the Soccer 2 underlays from Planet Hannah in her dark blue and her sparkly red. And then I have some of the Ted quote box overlays to use with that. I'm so stoked to use that kit. And then November 28th through the 4th, I have Sleigh Bells from SPC with the SPC matte bronze and rose gold foil bundle in shimmer, which is like literally perfection with this kit. So again, if I already went over that, I'm so sorry, but I figured I'd still show you. So let's get started with actually December. I'm like sweating in here. So December 5th through December 11th is my birthday week, but it is also coincidentally Lila's first birthday week, and I'm really excited for her. I'm really excited for myself because now I get to use like kid birthday kits for my birthday, and I'm like bringing all the kid birthday kits. I'm stoked. So this is the SPC Magical Joy kit, which is like Christmas, Disney, birthday. So stinking cute. I'm so excited to use this kit. This one I'm having a lot of struggles with, you guys. So I'm thinking I'm still potentially going to get underlays from Planet Hannah, but I don't know which ones I want to get yet. I'm having like intense struggles, but also what if I don't and I use this? I actually think I might just use this full foil bundle and go into Planet Hannah and get like maybe custom full box overlays and maybe I don't know, that might be it honestly. But this is the SPC Magical Christmas Sparkly Hollow foil bundle. I mean, these were literally made for each other. So I figured this is probably me being safe and then I'll just add stuff on later. But I think that's gonna be such a gorgeous spread. December 12th through the 18th, I had to use Seasons Creepings. It's literally my favorite Christmas kit that came out this year. It's spooky Christmas. I'm obsessed. It has a lot of like Nightmare Before Christmas elements. There's like some Beetlejuice elements in here. There's like Scream. It's... Look, there's the sandworm. Like, I'm obsessed. So, love this. With this, I am using the candy cane underlays. I knew I had to use these this year because they're so gorgeous, and I figured this blue would look so good with this kit. So, I have the candy cane underlays in light blue. Then I have the SPC. This is the Silver and Sparkly Hollow Shimmer Foil Bundle. I think it's gonna be bomb. So, that is for December 12th through the 18th. Seasons Creepings, Silver, Sparkly Hollow, Candy Cane, and Light Blue. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna be a good week. Then the week of Christmas, which is December 19th through the 25th, I'm using this Caress Press kit. This is called Christmas Morning. This just gave me the colors mostly, just gave me very classic Christmas vibes. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna use this for Christmas week. I'm really obsessed with it. I really love this. I am using the Plaid 2 underlays. I think this is either her matte bronze or her rose gold. I don't remember what I ordered this in. I'm gonna go ahead and assume matte bronze. It might be rose gold. Great question. It doesn't look matte, so I'm gonna say rose gold. Or no, this is antique gold. I'm a liar. This is an antique gold. So antique gold with this. And then I have the Crest Press. This is her Glimmer foil bundle in burgundy. And I was like, ooh, this combo is really good. So that is gonna be my Christmas week spread, and I'm very excited for that one. Sorry if I'm going through this kind of fast, but like, it's hot in here. I don't think y'all understand. I'm about to kick my air on. And then last but not least for December, we have December 26th through January 1st. So since this is my last spread in my planner for the year, I like to still keep it Christmas. And then my first full spread in my new planner for the next year is my New Year's spread. So I'm using Crest Press Noel. Everything about this kit makes me so happy. The greenery, the modern colors. This also could have been really great for Christmas, but I figured just like this gives me very like kind of January vibes, so I just wanted to end the year with this kit. So that's Noel. With this kit, the underlays I'm using are Holiday Leaves in dark green. And then the Crest Press Jingle Bells foil bundle in her sparkly gold. I'm thinking layering the bougie boxes under this, like the sparkly gold under the green, is going to be almost next level. So I'm really excited for this. I think this is going to be amazing, y'all. I'm just looking at my lineup now, and I haven't even prepped January, like foil anything, so I need to probably start working on that. But I think this is also going to be such a bomb spread. So that is for December 26th through the 1st. So let's go ahead and regroup and go back through December. So the 5th through the 11th, we have Magical Joy from SPC with the Magical Sparkly Hollow Snowflake foil bundle. December 12th through the 18th, we have Seasons Creepings from SPC with the Candy Cane and then the Silver and Sparkly Hollow Shimmer. December 19th through the 25th, I have Crest Press Christmas Morning with Plaid 2 and Antique Gold, as well as the Glimmer and Burgundy from Crest Press. And then December 26th through the 1st, I have Crest Press Noel with Holiday Leaves in dark green and the Jingle Bells and the Sparkly Gold. So I'm really excited for this lineup. I think this is gonna be like, every time I do a spread now, I get more amped up to do the next one. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to lay this all down. So I hope this gave you at least a little bit of inspiration. Now this makes me nervous for January because I have to start looking ahead, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.